Standing in the doorway light, rain falling into night. You were quiet, watching close, like you knew something I don't. I was small, but I could feel there was something calm and real in the way you stayed right there, listening to the air. It rolled low across the sky, and you never turned inside. And it sounds like home to me, not a thing I need to leave. Every echo, soft and slow, feels like something I already know. They say it's something to fear, but it only brings me here, to a place I've always known. When the thunder rolls, now I hear it on my own, in the dark inside my home. Still the same low, steady sound, like it's wrapping all around. Not too loud, just deep and wide, like a voice I recognize. Every time it starts again, it brings me back to then. Somewhere in the falling rain, nothing really had to change. And it sounds like home to me, not a thing I need to leave. Every echo, soft and slow, feels like something I already know. They say it's something to fear, but it only brings me here, to a place I've always known. When the thunder rolls, you just stood there in the rain, like you didn't need to say anything at all. I could feel it anyway. And it sounds like home to me, every time it calls to me. In the night, in the low, there's a calm I've come to know. I don't turn away from it, I just stand and stay with it, like I've always somehow known what it means when the thunder rolls.